Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Halifax account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to create a Halifax account online on your computer, just open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in the address halifax.com like this and hit on enter. And then you'll be directed to the Halifax webpage or the homepage of the Halifax, where in order to register an account, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the register button available, or when you scroll down you can see there is the register button available for us over here also. Either of these buttons, wherever you click, you'll be taken to the registration process like this. And now in order to create an account, you can see you'll be required to enter your title, your first name, your last name, and after that enter your date of birth like this. And after you have entered your birth date, you can see the postcode option available. But guys, if you don't live in the UK or you live outside the UK, you can simply click over the checkbox where it says I don't live in the UK, and still you'll be able to sign up for an account. But guys, if you already have a Halifax account, simply choose your account type over here and you'll be able to log into your account from over here. With that being said guys, after entering your details, you can see you will have to go to the sign in details, confirm issue, and all done. These are the steps you will be required to go through. And when you click on the continue button at the bottom right corner of this page, you'll be taken to these steps by validating all of your credentials. With that being said guys, this is how you sign up or open a Halifax account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.